Welcome, beautiful soul. In this guided meditation for soul retrieval and energy healing, you will journey inward and reclaim the parts of yourself that may have been lost, left behind, or given away. This is your sacred path to wholeness, balance, and radiant inner power. Take a deep breath in and gently release. Allow your body to soften, your breath to steady, and your awareness to turn inward. This is your sacred space of restoration. With each inhale, you are calling yourself home. With each exhale, you are releasing what is not yours to carry. Now imagine yourself standing at the edge of a quiet forest at twilight. The sky is painted in deep indigos and soft violets, stars beginning to shimmer. This forest is alive with ancient wisdom. It knows your name, your story, your truth. Step forward onto the soft earth, feeling each footfall grounding you more deeply. The trees whisper encouragement as you walk the path that winds ahead. The air is rich with the scent of pine and moss, cool and cleansing. Ahead, a gentle golden light begins to glow, guiding you deeper. This light is your own soul calling you back to yourself. As you reach a small clearing, you see a sacred circle of stones. At its center, a flame flickers, not of fire, but of pure soul light. This flame welcomes you. It has been waiting for you. Sit before this sacred flame and open your heart. Say silently within, I call back all of my energy, all of my soul fragments, across time, space, and dimensions. I call myself home. Feel the air shift around you as shimmering streams of light begin to return. They arrive like fireflies, like soft, glowing stars floating toward you. Each carries a piece of you, joy once forgotten, strength once abandoned, love once misplaced. Allow these pieces to gently enter your being, merging into your heart, your body, your spirit. With every return, you feel more complete, more vibrant, more whole. Take a deep breath as this light settles into your core. You are reclaiming your true essence. The flame before you grows brighter, reflecting your restored wholeness. You are luminous, powerful, sovereign. When you are ready, stand and bow in gratitude to the sacred flame and the forest guides who have witnessed your journey. Know that you may return here anytime you wish to reclaim more of yourself. Begin to walk back along the forest path, carrying this restored energy within. With each step, your awareness returns to your physical body. Feel your breath. Feel your heartbeat, the surface beneath you. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. You have returned with your soul energy reclaimed, radiant, and whole.